Hello Nishreen, I've heard that you'll be turning 59. How has your journey been?
So since I was 15, I was on the national team for karate, and currently I've been representing India for the Asia and the World Bodybuilding Championship. Besides that, I'm a mother to two grown-up kids.
So when you hear that there is an ongoing debate about, supplements and your natural diet, how would you tackle that?
Not everybody is eating everything from the food group that we are mentioning,
Yes.
especially the vitamins and the minerals. Protein is very, very important.
Yeah.
So that's when whey protein would be very, very ideal for them to have. And of course, vitamins, we are talking about all the vitamins, right from magnesium to zinc to omega. If you cannot get it from your food, we have sources now, from my experience of being with Guardian GNC as a brand athlete, we can completely trust them, and right from the fish oil to the collagen, the works.
Hello everyone, I am Mansi and I am a GNC certified nutritionist. And today with us we have Nishreen. Hello Nishreen, welcome to our podcast.
Hi Mansi, I'm happy to be here today.
Yes. So I've heard that you'll be turning 59 this year.
Yes,
and
that's
you have
right.
been in this field since a long time. How has your journey been till now?
Okay, so to tell something about myself, I've been an avid person who's given a lot of priority to fitness ever since I was very young. So since I was 15, I was on the national team for karate, and currently I've been representing India for the Asia and the World Bodybuilding Championship, and this is the last 8 years of my life. Besides that, I'm a mother to two grown-up kids, very sweet family that helps me, pushes me, and makes me work hard so that I look my best and I feel my best. But I would say that all this would not happen if I was not more disciplined about my food, which I am, my exercise routines every day. So food and exercise are very, very important to me. And I feel that that can be a part of everybody watching this also.
So you would agree when I say this statement that we need to start inculcating these habits earlier in life, right?
Yeah, definitely, yes. Because I'm looking at a lot of youth right now. I see them very, very fit and strong, but not everyone. There's a lot of junk food around, and somewhere they get a little lazy to think what is best for their health. So we have like role models. I try to be a role model to a lot of people, and I talk about the macros a lot. Means that is the carbohydrate, protein, and the fat, which is very, very important that you eat a balanced meal every day, because you want to live to your growing years stronger than what you can be.
Okay. So when you hear that there is an ongoing debate about, supplements and your natural diet, how would you tackle that? Like, how would you convince people? Like, every coin has its own side, has two sides. How would you say that?
So I would say that see, when we are eating foods, not everybody is eating everything from the food group that we are mentioning.
Yes.
And there's a time when you are really, really not taking care to see that all the nutrients come in, especially the vitamins and the minerals. Protein is very, very important. So these things, people may just have a lot of carbohydrate. They're not giving emphasis to protein. So protein is very essential for your muscle growth. I drink a lot of protein shakes, okay? But it is important for you to have a good source of protein coming in, either in the natural form, but if you're a vegetarian, there's very limited choice.
Yeah.
So that's when whey protein would be very, very ideal for them to have, because they are also taking care of their protein requirements for the day, their carbohydrate, fat, and of course, vitamins. We are talking about all the vitamins, right from magnesium to zinc to omega. So where do you get all this? If you cannot get it from your food, we have sources now made by nutraceutical companies.
Exactly, yes.
And definitely, I would say that, from my experience of being with, like Guardian GNC as a brand athlete, but also before that, from the US, I would buy my minerals and my vitamins from the GNC store.
Yeah.
And now that we are so lucky that we have
Yeah,
the
within India,
entire
yes.
Guardian GNC here for us, we can completely trust them. And, right from the fish oil to the collagen, the works.
Yeah, so we could just wrap this by saying ki supplements should always be a part of your diet and
Definitely,
not
yes,
only
because
your
we are
diet.
definitely lacking in a lot of
Yeah,
nutrients.
especially Indians who lack in
Yes,
protein
yes,
intake
yes,
because of
yes.
a natural diet.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are also going to be preparing for your championship in few days. So how are you taking care of that? What are the extra supplements you have been adding? Can you share a little bit
Yeah,
about it?
so when I compete, I see to it that protein requirement.
I mean, of course, it's a long journey. You must have been preparing for it since
Yeah.
months, but still, if we can wrap it up in a gist.
So, like, if for general people who are not, protein requirement would be 1 gram per
Body
kilo
weight.
body weight.
Yes.
Okay, so supposingly I weigh 50 grams, my minimum requirement is 50 grams. To get my 50 grams from sources, sometimes I am not able to do that. So that's when I would definitely take a whey protein.
Okay.
Yeah, so that 50 grams. And now, if you're somebody who's working out all the time and is very particular, then your gram of protein is even higher.
Yes.
Your requirement is higher to take care of all the wear and tear in the body that
It
happens.
depends upon the intensity of the workout also.
Yes. So that's why then you look into also different supplements that assist you.
Yeah.
So we are looking at creatine.
Yeah.
We are looking at something like maybe before you start your workout, it would be a pre-workout.
Pre-workout, yes.
So a pre-workout, a protein shake at the end of your workout, and not to forget glutamine, which is
Glutamine
also
also.
very essential
Yes.
for recovery and muscle recovery and growth.
Yes.
So that would be a large part of my daily routine, would be having these. Then we are moving into getting good rest,
Good rest, which is very
which is very
important,
essential.
yes.
So you exercise, you rest, you eat well. So it would be a nice cycle every single day.
So are there any supplements which you specifically take for, your sleep?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Because see, a lot of times now, people are suffering from, insomnia, or also sometimes you're working all the day, and even at night you've got thoughts in the head. You would like to get up very, very fresh in the morning, which you can't.
Because right now the lifestyle is
The
has
lifestyle
become
is
so
such,
much
and
regular.
there's a lot of distraction, so you don't sleep well. But if you slept well, then your next morning you're ready to run a marathon.
Yeah.
So definitely, there is something called ZMA,
ZMA,
zinc,
yes.
magnesium. You would know.
Yes.
Then there's something called melatonin. Okay. Then you have magnesium. These work fabulously for you to get a great sleep at night.
Yeah, it's a great combination for a good
So what
sleep.
is that deep sleep state that
Yes.
we talk about?
Yes, yes.
That's where you reach, and you're there in that deep sleep stage. So your body completely recovers, it repairs, and it grows through the night while you're resting.
So it's actually like your body is actually working when you're sleeping also.
Yeah, it's just assisting you so much to get on the next day and get back to work fully charged up.
True. So now, as we can see that the market is very overwhelming. First, people were only focusing about whey protein. Like protein is important. We need to include protein supplement. But there have come a lot of supplements in terms of minerals also, as you said, like micros also.
Yes.
So if someone who is not working out, what are the very 3 basic supplements which you would suggest?
Would you say fish oil is important or not?
Of course,
Omega
like
3, 6,
fish
9.
oil is a source of omegas, so
Yeah.
of course it's very
very,
important.
very
Yes.
essential. Okay, the next important one would be right now a lot of people are actually having aches and pains.
Yeah.
So we have something called Triflex.
Yes.
It is great for the joint. I think it has a lot of glucosamine
Yes,
inside.
it does have glucosamine.
Yeah, so So tell me one person who doesn't have aches and pains.
Yeah, even in younger population, we are seeing
Yeah,
that.
so you
yeah.
will, so then Triflex would help to a great extent. And I would also say that whether you're working out or not, but you are batting an eyelid, you're using your hands, you're using your muscle all the time. You know, your entire
Yeah.
metabolic rate is constantly in action because of every little muscle that's moving. So we are looking at strengthening. If you're looking at strengthening, I would say keep giving it protein, regularly.
Regularly, definitely.
So that is important. Yeah.
Yeah, so that is something you have to keep taking every day, be it in a natural way or a supplement.
Yeah,
way.
and if you, and also Guardian GNC's got the Mega Men,
Yes, the multivitamin.
the multivitamins.
We have it for both women.
Totally, and
yes,
they have a multivite for women,
women. Yes.
but they also have one for above 50 for men and
Yeah.
for women.
Yes, and we have one for specifically sports people.
Yes,
because
the
the
active.
requirement could be higher.
Yes, absolutely.
So I think we can conclude with omegas, multivitamins, and ZMA, as you said,
Yes, and also then collagen,
collagen.
which
Okay.
is very, very good for your
Yeah.
skin. And then we're talking about biotin for the hair
Yeah,
and
so
the
we
nails.
know that you are very much involved in photo shoots, modeling. So when we talk specific about outer beauty, how do you handle that? Like how do you tackle that?
Inner beauty, I would say, would
Works
come.
well.
It's like a plant. You put things in the soil, you put the right manure, and the plant grows beautifully. The same with us. If we focus on the right vitamins, on the right minerals, which are very important, and we neglect them to a great extent, and the macros, we grow to be beautiful human beings, happy all the time, smiling and making others happy.
So from within we have to
Yes,
start
so beauty starts from
within
what you put in your mouth.
Yes, definitely.
Definitely will radiate outwards in all spheres.
So what are certain beauty supplements specifically which are skin related or hair related which you would suggest or which you personally consume?
Calcium,
Calcium.
because we have calcium plus with magnesium,
Yes.
which can be taken at night. So you're getting your magnesium and your calcium while
both
you sleep.
Yes.
So that would be really, really nice.
What are your thoughts about collagen? Because right now in the market, we have supplements like collagen and glutathione,
Yeah.
which are very specific to skin health. What are your thoughts about that?
Because it's always nice. See, they are all from a protein source.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, and if protein is a building block for you, just not for your muscles, but for your hair to grow
Yes.
nice and thick, for your nails to
Yeah,
grow
because
nice and thick,
everything is made out
for
of
you to have no
protein.
pigmentation as you get, because of all the, the sun rays and all that people are exposed to. Then these are great options to use the glutathione, to have the collagen.
Yes.
Why not, when you have access to such
And
nice
if it really
things.
works, which it does,
Yeah.
like glutathione, collagen are scientifically tested and proved
Absolutely
that they work
tested,
for the
yes,
skin.
yes.
Also, I wanted to ask, like, while you are looking out for supplements, how important it is for you to look for a brand which is trusted.
Is there anything that you buy with no trust in it ever? Okay? You will ask around. So the same way, GNC has been there for so many years.
Yes.
It is one of the oldest nutraceutical companies.
Yes, true.
Totally trusted worldwide. And we are so fortunate in India to also have access to
Access to
it.
yes.
Either we can go into any GNC store and ask any of the people in the store, what is this for? They will tell you this is for this, Or online, there's so much information on every single supplement that we are selling, how beneficial it is. So if they are so open about their information, we have to just look into it and start to
the
trust.
builds
It
automatically
just trust
if
builds
it's
on.
very
And you will
transparent.
see the results. You
Yes.
will see the results.
I mean, the results can always be the proof. I
Yeah,
mean,
and
to
then
put
you
it
obviously,
simply.
if you think that this product is so good, you would go out and you would tell your kids, have it, or if your kids, they'll come and tell you that
Yes.
take this.
Yes. Okay, Nashreen. So we just talked about how a brand and its quality is very important to get to get trust in it. So you have been using GNC since a long time. So what are your thoughts on that? Like, how do you include these whey protein, these supplements in your daily routine? Can you share a little bit about it?
So if you're trying to ask me that, how do I spend the day,
Yes.
and how does it
Like,
go
if
by?
we just go get a gist of how your daily routine looks like.
Okay, so for my daily routine, if I'm going to give a secret out, okay, this secret is very important. I'm one person, upon brushing my teeth,
Okay.
the first thing I will give to myself is my protein shake from Guardian GNC.
Okay.
Why? Because you slept the whole night, okay? Your body has used up the protein of the earlier day in repair, muscle growth and repair. That's what your
Yes.
body does in the night. It is waiting for protein to come back to begin the day. Not just for me, but for everyone, okay?
I mean, that
Whether
would
you're
be
exercising.
the perfect first meal for your day.
Yeah,
then.
so I will not pick up a chai or a coffee because I know they're acidic medium
Yes.
and they're going to ruin my system. This is coming out of a lot of experience of many, many years. So literally, like you would say, it is golden words. Wake up in the morning and start your day with a protein shake. Okay, try any flavors of GNC. They got right from mango to kulfi to chocolate to strawberry. So you can choose whether you want a fruity flavor
Yeah.
or you want a
Covers all
coffee
the
flavor.
palate, yes.
But start your day with a protein shake, and trust me, you will see the kind of energy which is like, you won't have these spikes in this insulin and so skip your coffee, skip your tea, start with a protein shake.
Definitely.
Then head to your work in between around 11 o'clock. Again, your body will be looking for a source of protein. If you have your eggs, great, have a breakfast. But if you're on the move and you don't have, that's your second shake time.
Yeah, it just
Or
works
if you're the
out-
type like
yes.
me who's been working out, then your second shake would come in now. Okay, and most important, before you sleep, close your system, have a shake again. I know I'm talking about a lot of shake, but this will shake you up to become stronger. That's about it.
It's because it's very convenient also. That is one of the points, yes,
Absolutely.
definitely.
So the secret is out. Please share this with all your friends. Try it and trust me, you won't regret.
Yes, definitely. And as we said that when you are looking out for a brand, like if you are continuing with GNC product, what all certifications or you see that will build your trust more?
So most important is the food FSSI, that is very, very mandatory. Take a GNC, any product, you will see the mark on it.
Yes.
Means you can trust it. You can trust the quality. You can trust every word that's written on that container. So definitely, I feel that, they are doing so much research for us to live our lives better.
Yes.
And they're doing their work to their best.
Yes.
We just need, everything's coming to you on a platter. Now the platter is already there. You have to pay some money and get it.
And you just have to consume it.
Yes. And then just, so these, so many times friends will ask me, what do you want for a birthday gift? I'm like, there's a GNC store. Can you just go there and tell them that, we need these things? So I give a list.
Okay.
And that's the gift I get. If I don't get gifts, I buy it for myself.
That's the first I've heard, but really nice.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
Okay. Okay.
Gift yourself the best health to live well.
Yes, definitely. That goes by the same. So whenever we talk about any product or even any ingredient, the good comes with the bad. So we have a lot of like misunderstanding myths about it. So if I ask you that this is a common myth people have about protein or creatine, that it is a steroid. So how will you tackle that?
Like how alcohol is. Okay. People don't think twice the damage it's doing. They don't, okay?
Yes.
They don't even want to think. They just want to think that, yeah. But when you're high on life, then you don't need alcohol. You need protein.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so now the thing is that why would anybody think of a protein as a steroid? A steroid is a completely different pharmaceutical, injectable
Injectable, yes.
thing that people use
it's
to increase
synthetic, yes.
their muscle mass and their testosterone. If you see me, do I look like a beefed up
No.
Miss Hulk? No. And my life doesn't happen without protein shakes.
Yeah.
I mean, so why would a bichara protein ka dabba be termed as a steroid? It's not. It's completely, there's no connection. You cannot connect alcohol to steroid. You cannot connect alcohol to protein.
Protein.
Everything's different. Some are damaging to the health. Some are extremely important for health.
Yes.
Which is important, we know.
Yeah, and we have to decide accordingly.
Yes.
Definitely. And when we are talking about health also, good joints, bone health is something which is coming up, very recently also. And it's important which people neglect. So what supplement can you suggest for this?
Collagen is one of them, which is really, really good. It's great for bone health also.
Yeah, people just
along
have-
with your
yeah,
hair and
hair and
nails and
skin,
everything.
yes, definitely.
It's a good source of protein, so you can think about it. But we have magnesium, we have zinc, we have Triflex, which is
Triflex,
extremely
yes.
good for joints.
Exactly. Yes.
We have Tamaflex,
Yes.
which is also very, very good. So Tamaflex and Triflex, both are extremely good for joint
Yeah,
support
these are very
and health.
specific products which are for
specific,
joints
yes.
and bone health. Yes.
And then also we have Calcium Plus, and we have a lot of gummies that have been introduced.
Yes.
So if you're looking at like literally right now we have apple cider
Yes.
vinegar, which is extremely good. It just does not help you lose weight, but it detoxifies your
Detoxifies
system.
the body, yes.
So apple cider vinegar with Guardian GNC, you have a choice to drop the tablet into the water and have this really exotic drink,
Yes.
or you can have these little gummy bears
Gummies
in your
also.
bag, take
So you
out
have
one,
choices, yes.
and you can have it before your meal.
Meal and you're good to go.
So you're good, or you can have it as like a morning thing, you know. So we have a lot of supplements that can make us really, really live well.
Exactly. It's like a whole package.
Yes.
It's not just anymore that protein is important. We have a lot of things like minerals, vitamins, magnesium,
Yes,
which we
yes.
need to include. Okay. Okay, Nashreen. So, can we now talk a little bit about omegas, fish oils? What are your thoughts about it?
What I'm trying to say here is very important is your heart health. Okay? The way the heart functions and the lifestyle that people lead right now, there are a lot of people who are falling victim to angina pains. And if you're looking to really, really be strong, because heart function is very important.
Very important, definitely.
Fish oil capsule by Guardian GNC has omega 369,
Yes.
which is researched. You must be
Yes,
having
of
the for extremely good for heart health.
Yes.
So there's not a day that I don't take it. I take 2 fish oil capsules, one
is
in
a
the morning
recommended
and one in the
dosage,
night for sure. Okay, I want to live strong. I want a strong heart because you can do such beautiful things in your life. So fish oil capsule definitely is a very important.
Okay, so omegas we mainly get through fish sources. That's why we have omega fish oils. But we actually also have a vegetarian option for
Yes,
it
yes.
also, which a lot of people question also and are not aware about it. So, what are your thoughts on that? Like,
No, so if you're somebody who's not consuming and if you're vegetarian,
yes,
then we have the omega 369 in a vegetarian source.
yeah, which is the flaxseed, like
Which
you
is the
source it
flaxseed,
from
which is
flaxseed.
again now, if you read up on the flax seeds and the immense benefits, but it's a little hard to eat and chew the flax seeds
exactly.
and to actually get a very little quantity of oil. You need
have
to
to
take
a
a
lot
lot
of
of flaxseed. get it to the mill, get the oil
Exactly.
coming out. So here we are ready with the vegetarian source of omega 369 for your heart health, as well as the fish oil, which is of course the red dot, but it works so
Yes,
much
it
better.
works same.
Yeah.
Exactly. Also, in recent studies, we have found out that omega fish oil also helps in reducing heart attack. Is it true?
I think it, yes, because if you're giving yourself the omega 369, you are seeing that your heart function is strong. I mean, you're assisting it with the right, because it's basically fat, okay?
Yes.
So you're giving it the lubrication it needs to not clog your arteries.
And one of its most important function is lowering the bad cholesterol.
Yes,
So
yes.
that is also how it works.
So the
definitely.
LDL, HDL, everything is going to change for the better.
Exactly. Okay, so Nashreen, we know that magnesium is very important and useful for good sleep. So what exactly other things which is also, supported by magnesium?
Because of all the lifestyle that people have to travel to places, work on the computers, be answerable to their bosses, there's sometimes you feel anxiety coming in. So you want to go back home and you want to get a really nice sleep, but you got thoughts happening in your brain and they won't stop. But you want to sleep better. So if you want to sleep better, one of the best sources is to include magnesium,
Magnesium.
also to include zinc and melatonin.
Yeah,
Now
because it
these are
works
the three
together.
supplements that we are, I mean, in the sense we are lucky to have
Yes.
at the JNC store, online and in store. So definitely when you will try to use magnesium before sleeping along with zinc, you sleep sound, and more important, this anxiety and everything starts to diminish.
Yeah, because it internally calms your nerves, so that's
Yeah,
how
yeah.
it helps with your anxiety
Yes,
and also
right.
provide you with good sleep.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you get good night's sleep and then you're ready for the next day.
Yes. Okay, so Nashreen, we also have something called as ACV, which is apple cider vinegar. So usually first we used to just have it in solution form or in liquid form. But now we have come up with gummies and effervescent tablets.
I do have the gummies and the effervescence, both of them. And trust me, first and foremost, there's a great improvement in weight loss.
Yes.
Okay. So if you're the type who's eating wrong foods and you're like not happy, apple cider vinegar effervescence as well as the gummies work really well.
Yeah, because it tastes great also.
They
right?
taste so good, So literally you just drop that into a
One
glass
tablet,
of
yes.
water. And you can feel full for a long time also. So it does help you curb your appetite,
Yes.
but also gut cleansing, okay?
Gut
Because of the properties that apple cider vinegar has, it really helps you with your digestive system. So, what right now there's a big thing about gut health. It'll assist you with having the best gut health.
Yes, it does.
And so you got weight loss, you got gut health, and you got them either as little gummies
Or a tablet.
to eat, or a effervescent tablet. You're sorted.
Yes, so you're good to go with your, your weight loss also and with the taste.
Yeah,
also.
and your stomach feels good.
Yes. Okay, so Nashreen, when we are talking about protein, we have a lot of myths also. So one is that, which we already cleared out, that protein is a steroid. But people also doubt that women really need to be taking, this protein. You being a woman, how do you feel about this?
If we are human beings, we aging, okay, and we are losing muscle at the same rate as men or women.
Exactly.
Okay. Now, if you're a woman, you definitely want to look your best till your last breath. You don't want to look like something the cat has just dragged in, okay? So, protein is going to not make you look like a man for sure, because I would look like a man too then.
Yes.
Okay? You will have the best physique, because consuming protein, when it's in your stomach, you feel full much longer.
Yes.
Okay, then carbohydrates you want to eat back again and again. But when you have a protein source, like you have a whey protein, you for the next 3 hours you're sorted. You're not like looking around for food. At the same time, you're not going through any muscle loss. At the same time, you're building the muscle and retaining it. So you will have a sculpted physique. A physique is something that everybody has a goal, that we want a great physique. It's called a great body.
Yes.
So the protein supplements and the whey protein will assist you get there.
So we can.
So you don't have to be young or old, because even if you're old, you still want to look good.
Yes.
Or if you're young, you still want to look good. Look good, but also feel good physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually. It all goes together. And trust me, just look into your macros, get your protein right. If you need to have a whey protein, if you're vegetarian, woman, man, doesn't matter. Just
So we
do
can
it.
just conclude it by saying ki it is as important as for a woman as it is for a man.
Definitely, yes.
And what would you say, people all literally coin this together also, keep protein and people who work out. So people who work out should only consume protein.
No, so there is something called a basal metabolic rate,
Rate.
as we spoke earlier. So our bodies are moving, either we are sitting on a chair, we'll get up, we'll get a glass of water for someone. If it's a woman, she's working around the house, she's taking care of her kids, she's running back and forth. She's using her muscle, okay? Just like a man, maybe he's going to office, he's not going to the gym or anything, but he may be climbing stairs. He's doing some activity. So activity requires muscle work.
Yes.
And whether you're a man or a woman, you're doing something, you're just not lying down like a dead person. You're moving all the time, you're active, your brain is active. So it's not only the people who go to the gym and make a conscious effort to do a workout, but also the people who are running to catch a train or a bus. People in far out villages are also doing a lot of farming and stuff like that. All that requires muscle work. So why would only protein be for gym goers?
I mean, even
Protein is for everybody who's claiming to be living on earth as a human being.
yeah, that's what, even being a sedentary person, you are not able to complete your protein requirement of the day. So we cannot just term it with people who work out, only them are supposed to be.
Everybody
Exactly.
is using their muscle to bat an eyelid, to talk to people. Everything, your tongue is a muscle, your eye is a muscle, you're listening, your five senses are working all the time. So you're using your muscle all the time.
Yes, so I think this is totally cleared out that protein is not just associated with people who are going to gym, but
Protein is not associated only with women, it's for men and women. Protein is definitely not a steroid. It's very, very safe. Guardian GNC protein, something that you can trust completely, because the company has been there in existence for over 90 years.
yes,
That's a
90 years.
long time.
Very long time.
Very long time. So trust is built over time. And here we are in India with Guardian GNC, and the amount of multivitamins to heart health. You as a nutritionist know how beneficial it is.
Yes.
And me as an individual know how beneficial it is to me to live well. Why not?
Yes, I think thank you, Nashrin, so much. It was a very informative session. We bursted out a lot of myths also. We got information on a lot of products also, be it a supplement or just a mineral. So thank you so much for this.
But I would really, really request people to take time to look into their health, eat the right food, eat the right supplements that make you grow strong.
Yes, definitely.
Thank you.